Less than title greater than OGTRY coin. Is the market preparing for a bullish breakout? Less than title greater than. In the 60-minute candle chart of OGTRY, we observe that the current price is trading at 230.2, which is positioned slightly above the short-term moving averages, including the 20, 50, and 100-day levels. The most recent moving average values were 244.53, indicating that OGTRY is struggling to maintain momentum above these critical levels. The trading volume has seen a significant surge, reaching 4,868.09, which coincides with the recent price increase. Historically, when OGTRY has witnessed such volume spikes, it has been followed by substantial price movements, often to the downside if unable to break the moving averages. The RSI for OGTRY is currently sitting at 53.5, suggesting that the coin is neither overbought nor oversold at the moment. Previously, when OGTRY's RSI hovered around this level, it tended to signal a consolidation phase before a breakout. If the RSI climbs closer to 70, it may indicate an overbought condition, whereas a dip towards 30 would suggest that OGTRY is approaching oversold territory. The current RSI trajectory hints at a potential upward movement if volume and price action align. OGTRY's stochastic oscillator is at a low of 11.44, signaling that the coin is nearing oversold conditions. Historically, whenever the stochastic oscillator has dipped below 20 for OGTRY, the market has typically responded with a bullish reversal. If the current downtrend in stochastic reverses, OGTRY could be poised for a price rebound. However, failure to do so may signal prolonged bearish sentiment. The MACD and signal line for OGTRY show a slight divergence, with the MACD at 0.139 and the signal at 0.463. This indicates that bearish momentum has been slowly gaining strength, although the difference between the two lines is not yet substantial. The MACD histogram has been showing signs of weakening bullish momentum. If the histogram continues to shrink, OGTRY may face further price consolidation. However, past trends suggest that a crossover from below could ignite bullish activity. Analyzing the Bollinger Bands for OGTRY, we see that the current price is closer to the middle of the band, sitting at 230.2. The upper Bollinger Band stands at 240.66, and the lower at 221.94. Providing a relatively tight range for the price to move within. Should OGTRY break out of the upper band, it could indicate high volatility and a possible bullish breakout. Conversely, if the price dips below the lower band, a bearish movement could follow. Based on historical data, such Bollinger Band compressions in OGTRY have often preceded sharp price movements. When evaluating Fibonacci retracement levels, OGTRY is currently positioned between the 61.8% retracement level, 216.41, and the 38.2% level, 291.59. The price of 230.2 suggests it's nearing a crucial decision point. Historically, OGTRY has shown strong reactions around these Fibonacci levels, with the 50% level at 254.0 acting as a potential pivot. A breach above this could signal a bullish rally, while further declines might target the 61.8% level as support. Looking at OGTRY's daily candle chart and volume over the past year, the stock has experienced significant volatility, with major highs around the 413.3 mark and lows near 94.7. The trading volume has remained consistent, with peaks coinciding with sharp price fluctuations. Over the past month, OGTRY has seen increased buying pressure, but it remains to be seen whether this volume will translate into sustained upward movement. The next major resistance level to watch is near 291.6. From a long-term perspective, the weekly candlestick chart over the past 3 years reveals key support at the 94.7 level, with resistance hovering around 413.3. OGTRY has tested these levels multiple times, with notable reversals occurring at these points. The correlation between long-term trading volume and price action suggests that a break above 338.1, 23.6% Fibonacci, could result in a new bullish trend, while failure to hold current levels may lead to retesting lower supports. General review. After analyzing all the indicators and charts, it's clear that OGTRY is currently in a consolidation phase, with mixed signals coming from various technical indicators. The stochastic oscillator suggests a potential bullish reversal, while the MACD hints at a weakening momentum. Bollinger Bands and Fibonacci levels also signal key decision points in the near future. Overall, OGTRY's future movement will largely depend on whether it can maintain support above critical levels like 254.0. Traders should closely monitor the volume patterns and RSI to gauge the coin's next major move. Will OGTRY break out, or are we in for more consolidation? Only time will tell.